Make a sleek necklace using the large drilled hole pearl, and this is 2 mm with the pearl being 15 mm. So what I do first is I press down on the tip of the finished chain so that it can go through the pearl. Sometimes it requires a little bit of coaxing, and that's okay. There we go. And here you have it. This necklace, it's a floating silver necklace. And if you have a chain that's long enough and you want to do a Y style, it's very simple. All you have to do is do a knot through, and you have a Y necklace. Then you just pop the tip back open with a push pin and pliers.